Good day, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. My name is Darren and my amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Flex radio, whether it be Flex 6000 series or Flex 8000 series, it's all the same, to the RF2K-S Amplifier. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let me show you where you can buy this cable. For my case, I purchased mine. I did a search on eBay and I happened to find one for roughly around $30. So it was a faster shipping, although it's used. So let's go to a search engine. All right, so I'm at the FTDI website. You can see the URL up here. It's kind of grayed out. Or you can just do a search. So if you just do a regular search, just FTDI, hit enter, it comes up. The first thing on the search engine is the website. Bear in mind, this place is in China, so it might take longer for you to receive your cable. While you're here, you go to products to cables. There you go, cables. And you scroll down. The specific cable you're looking for is USB NMC 2.5. So it's the USB to USB right there. So it's a USB to USB null cable. Now you see the price. To buy one, it's $37.50 plus I'm not sure what else you got to pay, taxes, being shipped from China. So you're going to need this cable. Okay, the one USB plugs into the back of the Flex radio, and the other end plugs into the back of the RF2K-S amplifier. So the good thing about this, when you're changing frequencies, the amplifier is going to follow whatever frequency that you have the VFO knob tuned to. Cool. All right. Now here is the settings that you need to do on your Flex radio. On the upper left corner, you have settings. Select the USB cables. While you have the cable connected, it's going to recognize the serial number and the type. Click on edit. Here I labeled my cable as RF2K-S FTDI. These are your options. I want to leave it default as CAT and transmit slice, and then you enable it. You can take a look at the advanced settings. I have it set to 38,400 baud, 8 data bits, no parity, and 1 stop bit. And flow control, just leave it as none. That's the only settings that you need to do on the Flex radio. On to the RF2K-S. Welcome to my RF2K-S. I am in the window. Now, but this is pretty cool that you're using real VNC and actually display it on a computer. So let me turn off my camera and let's configure the RF2K-S. What you're going to do is you need to go click on menu. Go to your interface. Under the CAT interface, you select Flex radio. Okay, there's a drop down. You go Flex radio. You select the rig. These are the only options I got. So it's going to be the Flex 6XXX. And then you match the baud rate that you set up in the Flex radio. So it's 38,400 baud. Then you save it. Once it's saved and the radio is turned on, you could click test and you have the frequency right here. Close it out, and up here in the right corner if you tap on that, you can actually change the different modes of connectivity. So it's cat. All right, while this is on screen, let me see if I can minimize this. Let's put that off to the left side. I'm not sure if I were to, let me also move this, miniaturize it. What I want to do is I want you to see that when I move the VFO, that the frequency right here is going to change. Okay, so on the right side is the frequency, and I'm going to change bands. Good grief, look at all that noise in my neighborhood. Godly. You see it? It changed to 7178. 7178's on the radio. I'll change band again. Let's go to 20 meters. You see it change? 80 meters. 15. 17. 10 meters. And just like that. So the amplifier is not, let me try this. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's leave it like this. Now you can see the radio and the amp. Okay, so I'm on 80 meters. I'll do a quick tune up. There you go, that's 13 watts. Turn on my amplifier. 600 watts. A little bit of reflected power. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. Okay, I got the audio on. You hear the white noise. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. Look at the noise level. I got a lot of noise here, about an S8 noise level. All right, one more demonstration. Put that on standby. Switch to 40 meters. Good grief. I'm sorry about the noise. It was a little too loud there. .7 SWR. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. Oh, there's someone adjacent to the frequency. All right. I think I'm done here. All right, another cool beans. That's awesome. Being able to have your flex radio and the amplifier communicate together. You don't have to buy another amp to be in the flex ecosystem. Since I already have the amplifier, the RF2K-S has a built-in antenna tuner as well, and I'm using the DX commander. With the RF2K-S amplifier, it stores the memory just like the flex amplifiers. I'm not sure what they call it, PGXL or something like that. I'm new to the flex world. I'm still a non-user, a G2 and a non-200D, now a Flex 8600. So, I did have an ICOM. the ICOM's IC7610. Today I sent it off, being shipped to ICOM America in Michigan, the repair center in Michigan. It's closer to me in Florida. So that that multi-function knob was skipping when I was turning the power. Sometimes it didn't advance the power, or the value was skipping. So I'm getting that looked at, paying for the repairs. It's out of warranty. Also the Molex power supply, the power Molex from the radio itself, when I plugged in my cord, the power cord, it pushed it all the way inside, so I had to open up the ICOM and then push that Molex back out so I can connect the power. They're going to also repair that. So thanks for watching my video. My name is Darren. My amateur radio call sign is N4VFR, and if you're curious, VFR stands for Visual Flight Rules. It's a vanity call sign, hence being an airline pilot. So 73s, until next video, have a great day.